This is just a quick introduction to Microsoft Teams. Once you have downloaded the app or are trying to log in and you've put in your SFLT email address and password, it will bring you up with a screen that looks like this. Please be patient with it. It takes time to load as there's a lot of information installed within it. Now, when you've got a screen like this, it will look slightly different if you're in year 7 and 8 than if you're in 9 or year 10. If you're in year 7 or 8, it will have one class, just one class. You'll be part of one class that has got all of your subjects within it. If you are year 9 or 10, you'll have option classes, which is all your options that you have chosen to take next year. So the first thing I'm going to show you is what the teams are. Teams is just another word for classes. So this student here, if I double click on Teams, is in all of these classes. He's got 10 PE, 10 Geography, 10 Photography, 10 Travel and Tourism, etc. He's also in the test class for me. Now, if I click on one of his classes, let's go with, in fact I'm going to go on the one that I use. We're going to go on this one. I'll now talk you through what you need to know. Up here are your tabs that you can use. All the work that you've got to do, any pieces of work you've got to complete, are under this section here, assignments, which is just another word for your work. So if you know you've got some work to complete or you're unsure whether you've got some work to complete, you just click on assignments and it will tell you what work you need to do and when it's due. So as you can see here, this student here has missed 4 pieces of work, or 3 pieces of work, sorry, and has got one that's due today. So if you're ever wondering if you've got work to complete, you click on assignments and check it there. All of your teams are in here. Now, if you are year 7 or year 8, underneath this general tab you'll have a whole list of subjects. Now in those subject channels will be information, resources from your subject specific teacher that might help you complete the work. But the work will always be in this section here, assignments. So make sure you're aware of that. If a piece of work has been set, you'll have a little 1 that pops up here that says you've got some activity and some work that you need to complete. You can contact your teacher by discussing in the general posts here. If you've got a question for your teacher, you can start writing it in there and they will see that you're writing to them. Alternatively, you can write down in the subject specific channel. So if it's a geography question, you can click on the geography channel and you can write it in there as well, and you can have a conversation with your geography teacher about how to complete the work. How to complete an assignment or how to complete a quiz. There are other videos that you should have a watch so that you're fully aware of how to complete work using Microsoft.